Hello everyone, this is the 1/400 scale diecast Gemini Jets Italia Trasporto Aereo, otherwise known as ITA A319-111. This model was produced by Gemini Jets in 2023, with the aircraft sporting the blue livery with Italian colors on the tail from the airline's inception. The aircraft is powered by two CFM International 56 high bypass turbofans, producing up to 23,500 pounds force or 100 kilonewtons each. Each aircraft can hold up to a maximum of 134 passengers in a single-class configuration. This aircraft has a cruise speed of 515 miles per hour or 829 kilometers an hour, with a range of 3,700 nautical miles or 6,900 kilometers. This A319 was originally delivered to the previous Italian flag-carrying airliner Alitalia in August of 2011. The aircraft initially sported the Italian flag colors of red, white, and green that Alitalia was known for at its dissolution. At this point in time, the aircraft was named after the famous Italian journalist and comedian Carlo Collodi and gained its current registration of EI-IMN. With the dissolution of Alitalia in 2020 due to severe financial hardship, the Italian government set up the new airline Italia Trasporto Aereo and had the new company buy many of the assets and aircraft of the recently deceased Alitalia. This allowed this aircraft to continue flying in and around Italy with the new blue livery and renamed after Italian sports star Pietro Mania. As of the beginning of 2023, the aircraft continues serving in the European market. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you have liked what you have seen, there are more videos available at the links you can see here, pointed out by my merry elephant friend, as well as a link to my channel. Thank you.